I would just say to the media this, I don't know what country you live in, but this is America. I'm here now. And it's not a formula for disaster, it's a formula for freedom. You should come here, look at all those smiling people, take in the sunshine, where the only thing that's contagious is a love of country and a love of freedom.
I watch Bob and Tam's Excellent Adventures.
Today, we're at Rapid City, Harley Davidson. We're checking out the ATC Trailers, the RVs. They got fifth wheels, they got pull behinds. Why am I talking about this? If you watch any of our videos, we are an ATC owner. Our link, go down to the very bottom of our channel. Some of our first videos, we do a walkthrough on our ATC to show you the quality and our construction of what we like. We got a 28-foot front bedroom model. The one he's got here is a 40-foot fifth wheel. So if you want to come on out here, check out Matt. That's who we bought our trailer through. Our RV came through Matt. We went all the way from Arizona to Grande, South Dakota to get a trailer. So you know if I travel that far, he's the guy you ought to buy it from. Let's see what Matt has to say about his company.
Hey, hi, I'm Matt with Custom Outfitters LLC, based in Brandon, South Dakota. I'm an ATC Toyhauler and Quest dealer. Last year we achieved platinum status with ATC on the Toyhauler line. We're going to be here at Black Hills Harley Davidson until next Friday, 8 p.m. we're rolling out. We're here every day until 8 p.m. Stop by and check out the 36-foot 2020 model ATC Toyhauler, and we've got a MC300 Quest motorcycle trailer on the ground here. Yeah, stop by and check us out. We do quotes on the spot, and we can help you with any questions you have.
Standing outside, the front of the armory. We're going inside, show you the vendors that are inside. It's fine. Checking out the Full Throttle. Looks like they got a really full parking lot. We parked right out here at the end. That's right. Giovanni's Italian sausages, cooked right here by the authentic Italian from Sicily. Right across the street from the Broken Spoke. So got an update. We're still here at Fat Tony's. It's got the showers here if you guys need a place to find a shower. Also, he's got his Bikini bike wash. Right now, there's nobody getting their bike washed. I think I'm gonna go down and get my bike.
It's not spicy at all.
Alrighty.
Please. I haven't got this. Try it.
It's tomatoes, I think.
Sweet pepper.
Good.
So today you've seen a whole bunch of neat things that we did on day 4. Met some really cool people, great subscribers. We appreciate all of you out there. Make sure you're subscribing. We're only 1,300 away from doing this at every rally. So if you like what you see, make sure you subscribe to our channel because that's what's important. So at that, we're going to leave you with
Subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you on the next video.
see you tomorrow. It's going to be Tuesday, and you know what happens on Tuesday?